going on, guys? I want to do a quick unboxing of this Anker Snap Charge and Chill. I almost bought the Apple version of this, but this was cheaper, had better reviews, and it has a built-in stand. I usually try not to stray too far from Apple, but Anker is a brand that I do trust. I will do a review on this down the line with more usage, but today is simply an unboxing and first impressions. You need to make sure you have a MagSafe case if you're going to be using MagSafe products. Kind of goes without saying, but they remind you of that here. They say it charges as fast as normal MagSafe chargers, but this is obviously on the go. They say it gives you plus 17 hours, but who knows what that really means because it depends on how you're using your phone. It's 5,000 milliamp hours, USB-C to USB-C, and then of course, the charger itself. It's pretty sleek. Kind of got a rubbery front. Then the back is just a plastic feel, but it's got these cool lines down here and a clear spot to where you're gonna magnetize that stand in. Down here, you're gonna click this button to see your indicator and how much battery you have left, and then the charge port. You can charge your phone and the brick at the same time, just with one cable, which is pretty nice. And then it just has simple instructions for how the stand works. Please subscribe because very soon I'm going to release a video of my 5 most used MagSafe accessories. One of them would be this wallet. But I'm gonna remove that because obviously you can't use more than one MagSafe accessory at a time. So here it goes. Locks on really nice and smooth. Not too heavy or too bulky. Obviously when you have an iPhone 12 Max with this on it, it's pretty big. And then if I want this little stand, I just pop it out from here and now you have a stand. Yeah, it's not bad. And then you can also still have it charged but using it landscape mode. Also subscribe if you want to be seeing a comparison on these new AirPod Pros 2 compared to the first version. There's a couple reasons why I bought this, which I'll explain in that video, but one of them is that it's MagSafe now. So this does in fact charge it, and it stays connected to it. So if you're on the go and your AirPods die, you can charge it really quickly with this device or your phone. And then if you don't need to charge either of those, then you just go back to using any other MagSafe product that you might have. First impressions, I feel like it's very good quality. I like the finish on it. I love that it's MagSafe with both the AirPod Pros 2 and iPhone 12s and later. And that built-in stand is pretty awesome. So if you're looking to get a MagSafe charging brick, I think this is a pretty good option. It's 40 bucks cheaper than the Apple brand itself, and this has a built-in stand. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe. I've got a couple cool videos coming down the line. We'll see you for the next one.